In today's video, let me show you how to organize the AOL Mail folders. If your inbox is getting messy and you want to organize it in a systematic way, where all of your emails are separated in its own folders, the way that you can do it is create different folders so that you can sort out different emails in its respective folders. So to do that, just tap on the profile icon on the top left and then head over to mail folders. Inside of mail folders, you're going to see all of your existing folders. To create new ones, just tap on create new folders. This way you'll be able to rename these folders or create new folders so that you can send all of the new incoming emails. So you can name these folders whatever you want. Once the respective folders now have been created, what you can do is tap and hold in a particular email and then tap on move. This way you'll be able to move the incoming email into the respective folders. This way you can just head over to these folders and then you don't have to look at all of your incoming email in one section. You can look at it in different sections where you'll be able to find the respective emails. Now this is a manual way of doing. You can also add in filters which will automatically sort out all of the incoming emails and then add it in automatically in its respective folders. But that is going to be a topic for a different video. If you want to learn how you can do it, make sure you search it up in this channel and you'll find the exact video that you're looking for. So that was a video about the way that you organize AOL Mail folders. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe and also give this video a thumbs up. That's going to be all for today. I'll see you in the next one.